You're almost 40 years old with 2 kids. Talking about celibate? You need to be trying to get that shit away.
So you're about the size of a fullback. You weigh more than a man at your height. And as a matter of fact, you weigh twice as much as you should.
Into marriage? How do you think that's...
Sweetheart, I'm going to tell you like this. My cookies is worth the wait.
Well, first off, check that, sweet. I know your cookies ain't worth the wait because you ain't made nobody wait. You got 2 kids without a marriage.
Can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death.